Hello, welcome to FoneDog, the mobile solution provider. Here we will introduce our product FoneDog iOS Toolkit. The iOS Toolkit includes 3 modules: iOS Data Recovery, iOS System Recovery and iOS Data Backup and Restore. Here we can see what can iOS Toolkit do. The FoneDog Toolkit iOS Data Recovery can recover lost or deleted data like photos, videos, audios, text messages, contacts, call history, WhatsApp, notes and even app data from iPhone-supported iPhone X, iPhone 8, 8 Plus. You can also recover deleted data from iTunes Backup. See here, you can select your previous backups. Another way is that recover deleted files from iCloud Backup. Now we can learn the FoneDog Toolkit iOS System Recovery. It can repair White Apple logo, recovery mode, DFU mode, the black screen of death. It can also fix various iTunes errors such as iTunes Error 3600, Error 9, Error 21 etc. As for the FoneDog Toolkit iOS Data Backup and Restore, you can back up your iOS data with one click. When you want to restore your data, it is so easy. You can selectively restore your data to iPhone, iPad, and iPod. You can choose Restore to Device or Restore to PC. That's all. Thanks for your watching. If you have any questions, come to FoneDog. We are very pleased to help you.